Greetings, Ms. Lonely Girl 15. Ma'am, why these conditional statements of if you were a leader, if you were the president, you would be doing something? As adjunct supervisor to Death Cap, we have all too often heard such plaintive whines of impotency. We find them unacceptable. Ma'am, we do not expect anything from the Harvard blackface nor the blowout preventer CEO. That is what BP stands for, isn't it? Ever since the clergy filled, we've placed our idiot son in Congress. It keeps them off the street. That's neither here nor there. We expect nothing of them. We expect something of you. You're the one who buys the crap. Stop it! In the meantime, as an act of contrition, we suggest that you get off of your fat shrimp-sucking Yankee ass and shave your head in penitence! Carefully packaging your tresses. For Gulf Coast oil mats! Next time we see you, we shall be expecting you to be as bald as a cue ball. Hail Neruda!